Hello and welcome to Mr. Tech Talks. In today's video tutorial, I'll show you how to create 3D text effect in Canva. First of all, go to Canva homepage and now click on create design and now click on your custom size and here insert the dimensions of the video or the page, whatever you like, and then click on create design. Now you will see a blank page here. Change the color of the background as you like. Okay. Now click on text. Click on add a heading and select your text that you want to convert into 3D text. So I'm gonna type Canva, make it to all uppercase and adjust the size of the font as you like. Now click on this font here and in the font search box type Rig Solid. Okay, so select this first font Rig Solid. So once you select on this, your text will be converted into a 3D text. You can change the size of this text or you can change the color of this text as you like, whatever style suits you. Now again, if you click on this font and now this time if you select this second type of 3D text, you will see another shape of the 3D text. Now I'm going to show you another way to create 3D text using 3D letters. So click on elements and in the search box type 3D letters. Okay, so you will see a different type of 3D letters. So whatever the 3D letter you like, click on that letter and click on view collection and you will see all different letters. Here you can select all the letters in your selected text. I'm still using Canva as my text and bring all those letters and put them together on your page. So once you are satisfied with your text, click on share and then click on the image format, whatever the image format you want, like PNG, JPG. I'm gonna select JPG for demonstration and then click on download and you can download your 3D text and use it wherever you want. And that's it in this video. I hope you liked this brief tutorial, and if you liked it, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Mr. Tech Talks. See you next time. Bye for now.